welcome back to my channel. Today I bring another delicious recipe. So today I'm sharing the pineapple prawn fried rice recipe. So guys, this is a very easy recipe. So guys, for the pineapple fried rice I have got carrots 2, I cut it as cubes, red bell pepper half, and half green pepper, 50 gram of prawns. This is a medium prawn, so make sure it's dry. Fish soy sauce 1 tablespoon, white pepper crust half teaspoon, dark soy sauce 1 tablespoon, light soy sauce 2 tablespoons, 4 to 5 tablespoons of vegetable oils, garlic chopped 5 to 6 cloves, white onion 1 long sliced, handful spring onion chopped, white rice 1.5 cup spoon. This is the boiled already and it's cooled down. First I'm going to cut gently here. We are making bowl like a pineapple bowl. Later on we can put the rice inside. So I'm measuring from here. So guys, you can see I measured the from here. Very careful, it's hard work. So we make 2 pieces like that. Then what we do, don't cut till the bottom, just cut in the middle like a slice, like this. Leave the bottom 25%, only cut the 75% inside. Very careful, watch your hand. I'm using quite long knife. This is very comfortable knife for me. You can use a small knife. This is the long slice I done it, so I'm going to make as a cube. And take out the scoop like that. If you're struggling with the spoon, so you can use the knife like that and gently cut it. Make sure you not cut on the bottom. So guys, this is our pineapple bowl ready. Make long slices first. Then I'm going to make the small slice like this size. So this is the ready, done. So next I'm taking deep fry pan. Add oil. Let it warm first. So oil is hot now. So I'm going to add the prawn. I'm just going to fry a little bit slightly brown. I'm not going to add anything. So guys, this prawn is ready. You can see it's brown. So we don't need to make very brown because otherwise overcooked. So I'm going to take off. Only we need to fry about 3 to 4 minutes, no more than that. So guys, as you can see, the leftover oil is still there. So I'm going to add more oil. Let it slightly warm, not very hot. Then I'm going to add garlic. So guys, if you don't want to put garlic, it's totally optional, but I love garlic flavor. And I put lots of there, you can see it. If you want to reduce the amount, you can put only 2 cloves. Very slightly fry for 1 to 2 minutes, no more than 1 to 2 minutes. Next, I'm going to add the onion. Let it fry, little bit brown. Bit brown now, you can see, slightly brown. So next I'm going to add the carrots. Then cook the carrot first about 2 to 3 minutes till little bit tender. Because carrots takes longer to cook, so I'm going to fry the carrot only first. Next I'm going to mix all sauce together. So I'm going to put the light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, fish soy sauce, and mix. Then you can see the carrot is already cooked. I fry at least 3 to 4 minutes. Next I'm going to add the peppers. Fry 2 minutes. Then put the spring onion. Only cook 1 to 2 minutes, no more than that. So you can see the vegetables is ready. So guys, you can put any kind of vegetables. You can add the cauliflower or broccoli and green beans and peas as well. Then next I'm going to add the boiled rice. Then mix. Next I'm going to put the sauce. So fish soy sauce flavor is little bit strong and salty. If you don't like to put fish sauce, you can skip. Next I'm going to add the pepper, crushed pepper. You need a mix very quick. So I'm going to gas little bit low flame. Then I'm going to add the prawn. So you don't need to add any raw salt because this prawns is salty, and soy sauce, fish sauce, they are also salty. So I'm not going to add any raw salt, otherwise it will be very, very high salt. In the very end, I'm going to add the chopped pineapple. Then slightly mix. So guys, its flavor is amazing, absolutely gorgeous looking as well. So after 2-3 minute fry, then I'm going to gas off. So it's ready now, I'm going to gas off. So it's ready to serve. So I'm going to serve in the pineapple bowl. So you can see that. Absolutely delicious flavor, little tangy and sweetness from the pineapple and little salty. So you must try this recipe.